Hi Tasif, it's Kathy, just showing you a quick behind the scenes of the WPMU dev plugin for events called Events Plus, and also the membership tool so that you can see the recommendation that I have for it. You can configure your settings, add events, edit events, and have an events archive. So when you're adding an event, you can say what the event is, give descriptions, you can say where your location is, the start time, whether it's reoccurring, whether you want to have a separate event date so that if your event is happening over several days, you can say so. You can say whether the event is still open, whether it's been closed, expired or archived. You can say whether it's paid. You can limit the number of attendees. You can say whether people can check in via Facebook and Twitter and whole loads of other things. You can view RSVP lists. You can say where what type of event it's going to be and give it a featured image. One of the great things about Events Plus is its settings gives you the ability to add lots and lots of features. So just waiting for it to load. So you've got your event settings, you've got your appearance settings, you've got your payment gateways, you've got your calendar settings, you've got your API settings to interact with Facebook and all of that. And then down here you have event extras, so you can integrate it with BuddyPress and the newsletters, default to all events, so that when people are going to your archive page, if they don't go to an archive page for the month, then it shows them all of the events that are happening. You can tweak access privileges to your events so that only certain people can go, so they must be logged in and they must be a subscriber of a certain level. You can say event countdowns, expire everything in the last month or expire all past events, just in case you haven't had that automatically set. All of these different things. You can say manual payment, but this is the key one. It has membership integration, which is another plugin which I'll show you in just a second. It gives you shortcodes, redirects, social RSVPs, weekly event calendars, export abilities, and also guest list options. So there's a lot you can do within the events tool. You then also have membership, which means you can define all of the access levels, the different subscription plans, coupons, communications for emails that go out on the first day, second day, third day, URL groups, remote pings, payment gateways, either PayPal or anything else. I'm really impressed with all of this so far, but you wanted to know about coupons. So from here you can add new, and you can define what your coupon code is, say what the discount is, what the start and end date is, who can use it from your membership access levels, and you can define how many times the coupon can be used. So if you don't add anything there, then it can just be used ad infinitum. From your access levels, you can have it in many different ways, all sorts of different ways. But here you'll be able to have a paid vendor and a free vendor, and that's just because I'm doing a vendor-based system, but you can have free visitors, free subscribers, paid visitors, any access level that you wish. And when you edit, you can go to advanced, and then right at the bottom you can assign it to a specific role. And of course in WordPress you can add additional roles to different levels. So if you add an additional role, then you can assign a membership capability of what people can view and do on your site from there. So we can edit if they can see comments, what tags, categories, what pages they can and cannot see, posts, what menus they can and cannot see, URL groups. You can define what downloads they can do, what shortcodes will be activated for them, and you can also sort out the back-end administration. So quite an advanced kit for 2 plugins that integrate very, very well. That's cool. Thank you. Bye.